Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Firebase versus VSCode. Firebase is a comprehensive platform offering backend services for web and mobile applications, while VSCode is a powerful, lightweight source code editor. Understanding their distinct roles is crucial for efficient development. We'll explore what each tool brings to your workflow, highlighting their unique strengths and how they integrate. This comparison will help clarify when and why you choose one over the other, or perhaps use both in tandem. Firebase acts as a robust backend as a service, providing essential tools like real-time databases, authentication, and cloud hosting. It significantly streamlines application development by managing server-side operations and infrastructure. Imagine building a scalable application without the headache of server maintenance. Firebase handles that for you. It offers a suite of over 10 distinct services, empowering developers to focus on the user experience rather than complex backend setup. Visual Studio Code, or VS Code, is a highly versatile and free source code editor. It boasts intelligent code completion, powerful debugging capabilities, and integrated Git control, making it a favorite among developers. With its vast marketplace, offering thousands of extensions, you can customize it to support virtually any programming language or development task. It's designed to enhance your coding efficiency and provide a seamless development environment. It's important to understand that Firebase and VS Code are not competing products. They are complementary. Firebase provides the cloud infrastructure and backend services for your application, handling data storage, user authentication, and more. VS Code is where you write, edit, and debug the front-end and back-end code that interacts with those Firebase services. Together, they form a powerful duo, enabling you to build and deploy modern applications efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.